400 of them. These apple trees.
Okay.
And there's another pear tree. These are new branches, so you have to cut in springtime, because otherwise new apple won't grow. There's another garden patch. Little boxes, apple boxes. Are you filming by chance? You're nodding.
This is the Kobayashi Orchard TV.
It's a bit messy, so I'm a bit ashamed, but these Iowa cones, carcass, the popcorn cones. When you show this film to someone, can you overdub it? Voice over. And sunflower seeds. We took out the seed for next year's. And also gave to some birds. Show you onion patches.
Oh, hey.
My
To the
granny
onion
and I
patch.
planted. Find the step. This is the whole onion patches. We planted by hand. My granny and I. 2 days it took.
Wow. It's quite expensive.
By one.
When will they come up?
Springtime, I suppose.
Early spring?
Early spring.
Okay.
I think so.
And each one will be an onion.
Yes. Because my father wants to sell in the market.
Okay.
And also he likes to eat low. He cut really finely and he put soy sauce and vinegar over it. It was a mess, all those stuff.
Is that it?
That's, yeah, one of our gardens. We have different parts as well. I'll show you on the way to the post office.
That's it, folks. Wave goodbye.
Folks, wherever in the world, you're very welcome to visit. I'll be a personal guide. And fresh vegetable and fruit. Hey!
Shiran, everyone.
Sron. And look what happened after this.